Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for gold and silver. Last week again, I hope you all profited. The target for gold was to achieve 1827, 1833. That was the level we had targeted, and for silver 2340 first target and 2380 the next target. Silver retraced back from the first target itself at around 2340 45 levels, and gold exactly posed itself between 1827 and 1833 zone. Now what lies ahead for the week? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Those who are new to the channel, I provide my daily and weekly analysis for major global markets including US 30, US 100, UK 100, Germany 40, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and commodities including gold and silver and crude oil and natural gas. So press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Before we proceed, I wish you and your family a very happy, prosperous and profitable new year ahead, friends. Let's make a lots of money this year again. And we'll start with gold first, followed with silver. At the end of every analysis, I'll give you the trading levels to watch out for. So do watch till the end. Now look at the gold's monthly chart. This is the monthly chart for gold. You can clearly see that gold has taken support. See here, first one monthly candle. Here second, and this is the third monthly candle where it has taken support at around 1750 1760 levels. At the same time 1830 1833 levels, 1 2 3 and 4. This is the fourth consecutive time, not consecutive, but yes, this is the fourth time at around 1833. It is closed at around 1830 1833 levels. So any breakout now beyond this zone 1836 levels will be a good level to watch out for gold, and whether it is a good time to buy, we will look at it. So yes, beyond 1836, but at the same time we must not forget that there is a downward trending channel on the monthly charts which is available. So this is one aspect to look at the charts, and hence this time if it crosses 1870 levels anytime this month, definitely it will be a good level to buy, and beyond that it will break out sharply towards 1950 2000 levels, can go past beyond that, but it has to pass this level at 1870 1880 levels. So if it goes past this, definitely a very good level. But whether this will happen this week, next week, we are going to look at the further charts. Also another observation, now you can see higher lows and you can see the resistance out there, and hence it is also a narrowing triangle which it is trying to form. So this month only if it breaks past 1836 levels, and if it goes beyond 1860, then we should consider this as an extremely bullish indication. Possibly it will try to go past, in fact, 1870 1880 this month itself, and probably 1900 can also be achieved, but it has to surpass the key level at 1878, and on the downside it should surpass first resistance at around 1836 38 levels. On the downside, definitely there will be a support available at around 1770. So this is on the monthly charts. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, we can see that after this drop, a reversal candle, that is the time I had said that I am expecting a reversal on gold, because see, right, these candles indicate that the bears are losing control on bears are losing grip on the market, and bulls might try to take a control, and that is what exactly has happened. Despite this drop, it has tried to rise again. Now on the weekly charts, we can see the support for the week available at around 1800 1808. So below 1808 and specifically 1803, if it breaks 1803 1808 levels, that is the time I will recommend you to go short, else possibly it might drop till 1818 1815 levels and then rise back again towards 1855 levels. So it can rise till 1855. On the weekly charts also, we must observe this trend, that on the weekly charts, if you connect the dots here, So on the weekly charts, look at this. If you connect the dots from the previous highs on the weekly charts, you will find that 1855, 1863, these are the two levels. If it surpasses this 1863 on the weekly charts, possibly then we can expect that it might rise strongly. And we have seen this on the monthly charts also. And on the downside, breaking 1808, probably 1815 should provide a support. Below 1815, 1808 should provide a support. And if it breaks below that, then we can consider this as weak and it might try to drop. However, I will expect it to trade in between 1808 to 1855 levels probably, or it might go till towards 1863 also. So this is what we can look forward to probably. But at the same time, another observation, this is the third consecutive green candle. You can see the lows are very well connected, and now the low is beyond 1800, and also this is third consecutive green candle, which is this time it is closed above this level, above the almost flat it has closed. So hence it is indicating that it is closing on a bullish note and might continue the bull run in the coming days, and hence probably it might open flat and then try to give a green candle initially, probably taking it towards 1850, 1855 levels in the first 2-3 days itself. So this is what we can see on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will find that, see, this is the consolidation zone between 1800 to 1760. It has tried to consolidate in between these levels. 1760 definitely a stronger support, and now you can see this double bottom, twin bottom out there. After that it is trying to rise, and look at this. So taking a closer look on the daily charts, you will find let's have a look. Now see this is the channel it is trading, and it is extremely bullish. Probably now with the support at around 1825 here, with the support at 1825, or rather it might try to open flat and try to give a strongly bullish candles, maybe couple of bullish candle, which might take it towards 1847, 1855, and in fact can go beyond that. So yes, there is a support now available on the daily charts at around 1820, 1825 levels. I don't think though it will break, but if it breaks 1815, 1808 should provide a support. Below that only I will consider this as bearish, else 1855, 1863 levels can be achieved this week, and probably we are going to look forward to it. Now we have seen the daily, weekly, monthly charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators. So indicators on the daily charts, you will find that gold is trading beyond the bands and the channels available out there, and yes, the support and it is in bullish zone. You can say 20, 50, 100 exponential and simple moving average beyond this zone, which is a critical zone now, 1780 to 1800 levels. And if it crosses or drops below these levels, that is 1800, very strong support will come into picture at 1800, 1791 levels. I don't think so this will break this week anytime soon, but yes, that is the level below which only we should consider this as extremely bearish, else it will continue to trade in a buy zone. Right now trading bullish. The next resistance level at 1833, 1836 zone, if it breaks 1847, 55 and 63 can be achieved. So the support should come in definitely at around 1800, 1791 levels. Last week also I had shared the same. The DPO has gone green after this. Now see, it is looking forward to upside. Probably it might try to go past this, and hence I'll consider this as bullish. Now look at the daily charts on stochastic. This is also bullish, probably trying to hit the next high before it tries to take a drop, and hence 1855, 1863 can be achieved this time. The MACD lines have crossed over long time back and are in buy zone, and you can see the red line is running parallel while the blue line is divergent, representing that yes, there is bullishness and we can go with a buy signal out there for gold. The RSI is comfortable, looking forward to enter into an overbought position. Probably it might enter before trying to drop, and hence 1863 can be achieved, and beyond that 1878 can be also achieved. that is what we can look forward to. So considering this, let me give you the levels to trade for. So I will recommend you to buy if it breaks 1836.5. If it breaks, you can go long here. My next target 1847, 1855, 1863, 1875. And then the strongest resistance out there on 1878. Beyond that, definitely it will be extremely bullish, but I will expect at least for it to achieve 1855 to 1863 zone. This level should get achieved. We had expected that if it breaks this zone at 1836, definitely it will achieve, but it did not happen last week. But this time I am again bullish, and I'll expect it to happen, achieve 1855, 1863. But remember, markets do not look forward to my expectation, my base. They do not trade as per my bias or your opinion or my opinion. We can just analyze, but it can take a U-turn anytime. So remember, it can take a U-turn anytime. We have to trade as per the market's direction, not as per my direction, not as per my opinion, not as per my signal, only with the levels, exact levels. And hence here you can go short at 1821. This is the level at which you can go short. Almost this 15 points you should eliminate. Here if you go short at 1821, you can expect 1816, 1811, 1808, 1803, and then we can expect 1800 and 1791. Now can you see this? The targets on the buy side, are widely spread and are almost consistent. However, on the downside there are resistances coming up. Till towards 1800 levels we might see a stronger resistance, and you can see here 1800 also. So till 1800 we might see stronger resistance, and below that definitely 1791, and below that definitely there are supports available at 1778, 83, 1760. This zone should also play a very strong support zone, and you can see this that clearly indicates that there is bullish bias, and I am trading with a bullish bias. In fact, till 1808 I will remain bullish. This is the level till which I will expect that markets or gold may bounce back again towards 1840, 55 to 47 levels. So yes, if it tries to drop towards 1808, till the time in fact it remains above 1808 levels, one can remain long. One can expect it to rise till towards 1847, 1855 levels. So this is all for gold. Now let's move towards silver. Now look at the monthly charts on silver. You will find it has got its support available at 2140. At 2140 it has got its support. Previously it has got its support at 2200. Many times it has got its support at 2200. Now trying to trade above these levels. Interestingly, 2340 and specifically 2380 and 2400, these are also the resistance level which we will be looking forward to. Once it goes past 2400, definitely 2550, 2500, 2550 and 2600 is on the cards. It might definitely stop at around 2550, 2500 and 2600 levels. Possibly it might try to achieve, but it has to surpass this zone at 2380 and 2400. Now with the support available at this zone, look at this. If you consider this as pivot out there, and if you, so almost from 2560 to 2140 it is spread at around, you can say 400 points. So almost 2340, 2350 zone, which has become the pivot. It has stopped at pivot. Now it surpasses this zone, that is at around 2340, 2350. If it surpasses 2350, then next support or resistance will come into picture at 2380 and 2400. Definitely beyond this it will try to rise strongly, and then we can expect 2500, 2550 and 2600 levels also. Beyond that also we can expect it to rise sharply towards 2600 levels. So yes, this is what we can see on the monthly charts. Let's have a look on the weekly charts. On the weekly charts we can see that this is the twin bottom. Now let me give you a wider look. This is the twin bottom. Now in fact it might try to make a head and shoulders out there, and hence if it tries to rise, 2480 can be achieved, and 2450 to 2480, this level it might try to achieve before trying to take a drop. So even if it is bearish, it has to achieve this zone at 2480 before it might try to take a drop, and hence this week again I will be watchful. Also see 4 bearish candle, the bears losing control here, bullish reversal candle on charts, and this is the third consecutive candle on the weekly charts where we can see it to be. So yes, it has got its support at now at around 2300. So if it breaks 2300, specifically I will rather tell, if it breaks 2310 also, yes, that is the time we should consider that there is a little bearishness and it might hit 2300. Else it might try to trade above 2300 levels itself, 2310 itself, and we can definitely expect this time for it to achieve 2420. But yes, till the time it remains above 2300, then and then only 2300, 2310 should provide a very strong support. If it breaks below this, yes, we have to eliminate our bias, close our longs and enter a short, and hence please don't just trade with the bias that it is going to go green out there. Possibly 2420 can be expected, and you can also see the body size is almost of similar length, and that is what we can at least expect, that it might try to again hit 2380, 2400, and in fact if it goes past 2420 can be expected, and beyond that also towards 2480, this zone is of critical importance, 2460 to 2480. That is what we might look forward to in the coming days also, as this is also twin bottom as it is formed, and hence now either it will try to form this head and shoulders formation, possibly looking forward to this in the coming days. So this is what we can see on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you will find that this is the consolidation and almost trying to form a strong reversal. So it is formed and now it is trying to form this reversal zone, trading out of the box. Support available at around 2300 now on the daily charts, specifically I will say 2310. Now till the time it remains about 2310, the sky is the plane is wide, the field is open, and we can expect it to in fact go beyond 2400 levels. My targets are big for silver. I am extremely bullish on silver. Last time also I did tell you that I am bullish on silver. 2340 was the first target, 2380 we were looking forward to. This time again I will be looking forward to 2380, 2400, and in fact it can go beyond that also. So yes, but till the time it remains above 2300, remember, don't trade with bias or my opinion. I will close my opinion. I will choose to change my opinion with the direction of the markets. I will not stick to my direction, my bias. I am bullish. That means market doesn't care that whether I am bullish or bearish. Market doesn't care whether you are bullish or bearish. We have to preserve our capital. So we are responsible for our own decisions. Now let's have a look at the indicators down there. Indicators on the daily charts as I had shared. Now see, this is the 100 moving average, 50 moving average coming out there together at around 2340, 2350 zone. And if it breaks past this zone 2350 specifically, now I'll be looking forward to 2390 and 2400. That is the time beyond 2350, that is the time beyond which I will expect it to rise sharply, and I will expect it to head towards 2380 and 2400 levels. So it is important for it to cross past 1840, 1850 zone, and then we can consider this as 2340, 2350 zone. Beyond that only we can consider this as extremely bullish. At the downside, if you see on the daily chart, the support available at around 2270 should come into picture. This zone is important, 2270, 2300. Probably this might provide a stronger support, and then 2310 should provide a very strong support. Below that, we can consider this as bearish and expect it to head towards 2250, 2200 levels. Now look at the DPO. After a long time it has entered into green and hence might sustain in green. My expectation for it to remain bullish. Stochastic on the daily charts quite comfortable and hence a rise can be expected from here. Reversal crossover can also be seen. And MACD lines have crossed over. You can see the MACD lines have crossed over and are divergent, and hence I will remain bullish on silver. RSI is trying to go into an overbought position. 2380 my first target, 2400, 2420 the next targets. Now let me give you the targets down there directly. So if you see it crossing 2347 and 23, you can go long for 2355. Once it crosses 2355, you can remain long for 2380, 2400, 2418. Beyond that also I have targets for this 2450 and 2470. Now remember, these targets, these number till 2470 can be achieved on silver. You never know when it rises 2-3-5% a day. You never know, and hence I'll give you a target at around 2420 to 2470 might get achieved this week. But till the time it remains about 2310. Now my support level, my level to go short is at around 2310 levels. Below this, I will consider this as moderately bearish, and 2298. Now, if it breaks 2298, that is the time I will consider this as bearish, and I will expect it to drop. I will expect it to drop till 2280, 2260, 2247. And below that it will drop heavily towards 2200. But I will expect it to rise. I will expect it to trade at least from 2310 to 2380 levels. These levels are important. Beyond 2380 and then 2400 can also be achieved. Beyond that can also be achieved this week itself. So I am bullish again, trading with a bullish bias. You can also remain long till the time it is above 2310 levels. So this is all from my side for gold and silver. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Join the Telegram channel. My 8th batch is starting on 10th of January. This is a 15-day session, mentorship session, in which I'll teach you advanced strategies right from the basic concept to the advanced strategies on how to trade profitably and preserve capital. So reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My Telegram ID and email IDs are mentioned in the description. Join the Telegram channel and profit from the trading signals. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead.